Respected teachers, honorable judges, and my dear friends, good morning to one and all. Today, I feel honored to speak about one of India's greatest leaders, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of independent India. He was a man of simplicity, honesty, courage, and strong moral values, whose life continues to inspire millions even today. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on October 2, 1904 in Mughalsarai, Uttar Pradesh. He lost his father at a very young age and was brought up by his mother, who taught him the values of hard work, discipline, and honesty. From his childhood, Shastri Ji showed a deep love for his country and a strong sense of responsibility. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri actively participated in India's freedom struggle. He joined movements like the Non-Cooperation Movement and the Quit India Movement and was imprisoned several times by the British government. Despite facing hardships, he never lost faith in truth and non-violence. His life truly reflected Gandhiji's principles. After India gained independence, Lal Bahadur Shastri held several important positions in the government. In 1964, he became the Prime Minister of India after the death of Jawaharlal Nehru. Though his time as Prime Minister was short, his leadership left a lasting impact on the nation. One of his most famous contributions was the powerful slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. With these simple yet meaningful words, he highlighted the importance of soldiers who protect our borders and farmers who feed the nation. This slogan encouraged unity, respect for hard work, and national pride. During the Indo-Pak War of 1965, Lal Bahadur Shastri showed great courage and strong leadership. He stood firmly with the Indian Armed Forces and boosted the morale of the nation. Even during times of war and shortage, he appealed to citizens to live simply and make sacrifices for the country. He once said, "Discipline and freedom are not mutually exclusive, but mutually complementary." Lal Bahadur Shastri was known for his personal honesty and simple lifestyle. Despite being the Prime Minister, he lived like an ordinary citizen. It is said that he took a loan to buy a car for his family, showing that he never misused his power. His life proved his belief that the preservation of freedom is not the task of soldiers alone. The whole nation has to be strong. Shastri Ji strongly believed in peace and cooperation. After the war, he signed the Tashkent Agreement in 1966 to restore peace between India and Pakistan. Sadly, he passed away on January 11, 1966 in Tashkent, just after signing the agreement. His sudden death was a great loss to the nation. Another inspiring quote by Lal Bahadur Shastri is, "True democracy or the Swaraj of the masses can never come through untruthful and violent means." This quote reminds us that honesty, peace, and truth are the foundations of a strong nation. In conclusion, Lal Bahadur Shastri was not just a political leader but a true servant of the nation. His life teaches us the values of simplicity, integrity, courage, and selfless service. In today's world, where honesty and humility are often forgotten, his life stands as a shining example for the youth of our country. Let us remember Lal Bahadur Shastri not only in words but also by following his ideals in our daily lives. Thank you.